In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end employment in Xero. This is an essential process for managing your workforce effectively and ensuring that your records are up to date. So let's dive right in and take a look at how to complete this task efficiently. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the home page, turn your attention to the top left corner where you'll see your profile name. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you need to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Xero account. Once you're in the Settings area, look for an option labeled Pay Items. This section is crucial as it contains all the details related to employee payments, including the list of employees currently active in your system. Click on Pay Items, and you'll be directed to a page where you can see all your employees listed. This is where you can manage employment statuses and make any necessary changes. Now that you're in the Pay Items section, find the employee whose employment you wish to end. You'll want to select their name to open their employment details. Here, you'll have access to various tabs containing information about their role, pay, and more. Look for the tab that allows you to change employment status or end employment. This might be labeled as terminate or something similar. When you click on this option, Xero will prompt you to enter the necessary details for ending employment. This typically includes the last working day and any additional notes or reasons for termination if required by your organization. Make sure to fill out this information accurately to ensure that your records reflect this change. It's important to double-check the entered details to avoid any discrepancies later on. After confirming the termination details, you'll be asked to save your changes. Once saved, the employee's status will be updated in the system. It's a good idea to review the employee list once more to ensure that the termination has been processed correctly and that all information is accurate. And that's it. You've successfully ended employment for an individual in Xero. Remember, keeping accurate employment records is not just good practice, but also a legal requirement in many jurisdictions. By following these steps, you can maintain accurate data in your Xero account, facilitating a smooth operation of your business. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Xero's help resources or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your employment records in Xero.